What's inside the basket? What's inside the basket? Let's see! What's inside the basket?
Hey!
What's inside the basket for me? Could it be a story or a snack? A game or a giggle I see?
What's inside the basket? Whoa! Shake it and we'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Open up and see. What's inside the basket for me?
What's inside the basket for me?
Round and orange, bright and sweet. Squeeze the juice, it's such a treat. Sunny snack we love to share. It's an orange, yay, everywhere, yay!
Strawberry, red and sweet. Tiny seeds, a crunchy treat. Juicy, yummy, can't be beat. Strawberry, strawberry, what a treat.
Big watermelon, red inside. Watermelon, watermelon, take a bite so juicy.
Yeah! Big watermelon,
We love you.
What was inside? Now we know.
Now we know.
Orange and red fruits make us glow.
Make us glow.
A rainbow in our bowl so sweet.